So how volatile liquids can be purified by distillation. We want to connect the condenser to a round bottom flask containing the impure product. Connect the condenser to a round bottom flask containing the impure product. And then we want to place a thermometer in the neck of the flask. And we want to place a thermometer in the neck of the flask where the bulb sits next to the entrance of the condenser. Then we want to heat the impure product, and when the product boils, we want to place a flask at open end of condenser. And place a flask at open end of condenser so to collect the pure product. So connect the condenser to a round bottom flask containing impure product. Place thermometer in connect the condenser to a round bottom flask containing pure product. Place the thermometer in neck of flask so the bulb sits next to the entrance of the condenser. Place thermometer in neck of flask so bulb sits next to the entrance of condenser. Heat the impure product, and then when the product boils, place flask at open end of condenser to collect the pure product. Another practical skill, how to use melting / boiling points to indicate the purity. We want to pack a small sample of solid into a glass capillary tube, and we want to place it into the heating element. So pack small sample of solid into glass capillary tube, and then we want to place it into the heating element, and we want to increase the temperature until the sample turns from a solid to a liquid. And then we want to measure the melting point, and the measure of the melting point is a range of temperatures where the solid begins to melt and then when it has melted completely. So range of temperatures when the solid begins to melt and when it has actually melted completely. And then you can compare your values from a data book or look it up on something, and then you'll be able to indicate the purity. So we're going to pack a small sample of solid into a glass capillary tube, place it into the heating element, increase the temperature from solid, increase temperature so solid turns into a liquid, till sample turns from solid to liquid. Measure the melting range of temperatures where solid begins to melt and until it has melted completely. And the main piece of equipment here is pack small sample of solid into a glass capillary tube.